Hi guys, my name is Evelyn Kim, and for today's video, we'll be going over Wylock's 3rd grade math curriculum. Topics we'll be going to discuss in today's video include addition, multiplication, division, and word problems. Let's get started with our first topic, addition. Number 1, they give us the equation 200 plus 60 plus 3. We can solve this one way by aligning the numbers vertically in order for us to solve the problem easily. 200 plus 60 plus 3. Now that we aligned the numbers, let's add it. 0 plus 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 6 equals 6. We bring down the 2. Our final answer for 200 plus 60 plus 3 should equal 263. Number 2, 40 plus 2. Let's align the numbers vertically. 40 plus 2. Now we add 2 plus 0 equals 2. We bring down the 4. Our final answer for 40 plus 2 should equal 42. Number 3, 20 plus 2. Let's align the numbers vertically. 20 plus 2. 2 plus 0 equals 2. We bring down the 2. Our final answer for 20 plus 2 should equal 22. Number 7, 5,000 plus 30. I'm going to align the number vertically, 5,000 on top, 30 on the bottom. And now we add 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 3 equals 3. We bring down the 0. We bring down the 5. Therefore, our final answer for 5,000 and plus 30 should equal 5,030. Number 8, 409. I'm going to align the number vertically, 400 on top, 9 at the bottom. 9 plus 0 equals 9. We bring down the 0, we bring down the 4. Our final answer for 400 plus 9 should equal 409. Last but not least, we have the final equation, 400 plus 10 plus 8. I'm going to align the numbers vertically, 400 plus 10 plus 8. 8 plus 0 should equal 8. 1 plus 0 should equal 1. We bring down the 4. Our final answer for 400 plus 10 plus 8 should equal 418. Topic is multiplication, and it's asking us to multiply the numbers below. Number 1, they give us the equation 5 times 4. 5 times 4 can also be referred as 5 groups of 4. Let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last but not least, 1, 2, 3, 4. We now have a total of 5 groups of 4 circles. Now let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We now have a total of 20 circles, meaning 5 groups of 4 or 5 times 4 equals 20. Number 11, 6 times 6. 6 times 6 can also be referred as 6 groups of 6. Let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We now have a total of 6 groups of 6 circles. Now, let's add to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. We now have a total of 36. 6 groups of 6 or 6 times 6 should be equal to 36. Our third topic is division, and it's asking us to divide the numbers below. Number 1, they give us the equation 15 divided by 3. Well, we know that 5 times 3 equals 15, and 3 times 5 also equals 15 as well. And we also know that 15 divided by 5 equals 3. This is our factor family for the equation 15 divided by 3. All of these equations are somehow related to each other. Therefore, 15 divided by 3 should equal 5 because 5 times 3 equals 15, 3 times 5 equals 15, and 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Therefore, 15 divided by 3 should equal 5. Number 2, 68 divided by 2. This is a different situation where we don't use the multiplication table. Instead, we actually use the division equation formula in order to solve 68 divided by 2. And we would do that by putting 68 in the house, or the division symbol, and 2 on the outside. 2 goes into 6 3 times because 2 times 3 equals 6. So I put 3 at top, 2 times 3 equals 6, and I subtract 6 minus 6, which equals 0. I'm going to bring down the 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times because 2 times 4 equals 8. I put 4 at the top, 4 times 2 equals 8, and I subtract 8 minus 8, and our final answer should be 0. Not our final answer, our remainder should be 0. Therefore, 68 divided by 2 should equal 34. Number 11, 8 divided by 4. Well, we know that 4 times 2 equals 8. And we know that 2 times 4 also equals 8. And 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Based off the multiplication table and a factor family, we know that all of these equations are related to each other. Therefore, 8 divided by 4 should equal 2 because 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Last but not least, number 12, 30 divided by 5. We know that 5 times 6 equals 30. 6 times 5 equals 30. And 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Well, based off this factor family, we know that 30 divided by 5 should equal to 6 because 5 times 6 equals 30, 6 times 5 equals 30, and 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Last topic is word problems, and it's asking us to solve the problems below. Number 1 says, Kai has 50 crayons. He breaks 28 of them and loses half of the remaining crayons. How many crayons does he have left? The keyword breaks and loses indicates that this is a two-step problem because 2 events have happened. Therefore, when he breaks 28 crayons, that means we subtract 50 minus 28. You can't subtract 0 from 8, so I'm going to borrow from the tens. 5 becomes a 4, 0 becomes a 1, 0 becomes a 10, 10 minus 8 equals 2, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Therefore, Kai has 22 crayons after breaking 28 of his 50 crayons. However, we're not done yet. He also loses half of the remaining crayons. That means we need to divide 22 by 2 to find how many crayons he has left after losing half. Therefore, 22 minus 2. 2 goes into 2 one time because 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. We bring down the 2. 2 goes into 2 one time because 2 times 1 equals 2. Subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, we have 0 remainders, and Kai has 11 remaining crayons after breaking 28 and losing half. Number 2. Let me erase this first before we move on. Number 2, Lucas has 22 different books. 5 of them are red, 9 of them are green, and the rest are black. How many books are black? Knowing that the remaining number of books are black, we know that 5 plus 9 should be the red and green books. Therefore, we need to solve 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 equals 14. Therefore, we need to subtract 22 minus 14 in order to find the remaining books that are black. 14 represents the number of red and green books. Therefore, let's subtract 22 from 22 minus 14. We can't subtract 2 minus 4, so I'm going to borrow from the tens. 2 becomes a 1, 2 becomes a 12, 12 minus 4 equals 8, 1 minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, the remaining number of books that are black are 8. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.